Welcome, friends. Today I'll walk you through a quick and easy way to organize your Telegram folders by removing contacts from them using the web version on your PC. Whether you're decluttering or reorganizing, these steps will help you customize your folders in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head to Telegram Web. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a side menu with your existing folders listed. This is where the magic happens. Now find the folder you want to edit. Right-click directly on its name. A small menu will pop up. Select Edit Folder from the options. This opens the folder's settings where you can adjust its contents. Inside the Edit Folder menu, you'll notice a button labeled Add Chats. Click it to reveal a list of all the chats, groups, and contacts currently included in this folder. Here's the key step. Uncheck the box next to contacts. This ensures they'll no longer appear in the folder once you save your changes. Don't forget to confirm your choices by clicking the Save button at the bottom. Telegram will instantly update the folder, removing contacts from its view. And just like that, your folder is cleaner and more focused. This feature is perfect for streamlining your workspace or separating personal and professional chats. If you ever want to add contacts back later, simply revisit the Edit Folder menu and check the box again. For those managing multiple folders, repeat these steps for each one you'd like to tweak. Telegram's flexibility lets you tailor your experience exactly how you need it. That's all there is to it. With these simple adjustments, you're now a pro at customizing Telegram folders on the web version. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need a hand organizing their chats. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.